I want to speak today not only as an immigration attorney, but as someone who has always believed in legal immigration. From the same conviction and deeply concerned about what we have seen in recent days. ICE arresting applicants inside USCIS offices during green card interviews. I've always believed, and I still believe, that a strong country needs safe borders, solid legal processes, and respect for institutions. And that is exactly why these actions cross a line that should have never been crossed. They create confusion, undermine trust in our laws and institutions, and impose unnecessary fear on families who are trying to follow the legal path. USCIS offices have historically been administrative spaces, places where people who are compliant with the law present evidence, pay their fees, and complete the steps required of them. Turning that environment into a place of enforcement changes the rules for people acting in good faith. Let me be very clear about who these individuals are. They didn't enter illegally, they don't have any criminal records, they have no fraud accusations, they simply overstay a visa, an issue that the law specifically forgives for immediate relatives of US citizens. These are the spouses, the children, and the parents of American citizens. So when these families show up voluntarily to the place the law directs them to go, and they are detained for a violation the law itself forgives, it feels like a betrayal of trust. It feels like entrapment. It feels like people are being told to follow the rules only to be punished for doing exactly that. And I want to add something important. I know many men and women in law enforcement, including officers within DHS and other agencies, who privately disagree with these actions. They understand that this doesn't create order. It creates distrust, disrespect, and it floods and saturates the immigration courts with cases that never needed to be there. Even those inside the system see that this is not the way to promote lawful immigration. My commitment is to help our community navigate this moment with clarity and truth, and hopefully this message reaches those in a position to evaluate what is happening and make the necessary changes.